Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and updated way to disable the flag for review option in Instagram's invite settings. This feature can sometimes cause confusion or delays when you're trying to invite friends, so turning it off can make your experience smoother. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to make some quick changes. Next, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you to your personal Instagram profile page. Once you're on your profile, head to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or hamburger icon. This opens up a list of options for you to explore. Scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Follow and Invite Friends. Tap on this to access your invite settings. Here's the key step. You'll see a toggle switch for flag for review. To disable this feature, simply tap the toggle so it switches off. When it's off, Instagram won't flag your invites for review, which means your invitations will go through more quickly and without unnecessary holdups. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the flag for review option in Instagram's invite settings. This small adjustment can help you invite friends more efficiently and enjoy a better overall experience on Instagram. If you ever want to turn the feature back on, just follow the same steps and toggle it back to the on position. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful Instagram tips and updates. Happy inviting!